قدمنا ترى لكم حموش هذا قدمنا أتينا لهم واو قد ساعتنا بقى نركب anyway كما تخونوا خم لكم ده حند لكم حبش education كعمز إيكم لكم تلمد قاعد حن مسأخم قاعد حن صنعكم كلنا عاكم كل زقباكم يا so قل 4 سنوات كنا بنا حوات تي فتنا قتلت ترامب سجبرة للديتيل بتاعبون إيش تكن زاربنا ناتو منيو بحريو بمقصال President Trump former President Trump Vice President لما عند خمارتي بيك جبري ماني مختلو خون بيك جبري بزعبا عوني إشتي كنزاربنا من خوني خلو number 3 market is happy حوات crypto is happy almost 3k up and the market is in general happy سلام تاي market happy خوين نزبل ترامب دحينو stock market in general طبعا ترامب كم صوت كل شعب استفار عليه من قد نبلينا نناتهم علوم نناتهم طعم لهم كلاتهم تم president صبغ لهم حمق لهم مالتي أو إن detail كن أتين خدن جن market is happy due to Trump مالتي so رابعين أتمنى هاب تيبول كرينا من خوين خد president for sure yeah Trump is a login كسب كنا وسخ غير مالتي alright نبتة قدامي خدمة حوات حصر كنا بلاينا تا فيديو فتن هو مني فتنا قتلتني ترامب سجبر نزبل إشتي كلهم سفار يخم لهم دي من السي ودع 10 عامتي ودع 10 عامت زي كاب تو هاجر كاب تبنسلفانيا كاب أوزق أمة مهاراي كونسو right شرع لهم زي لهم شك قبل صنحو yes I am alright هذا ودع 10 عامتنا لكم college graduate سجبره what kind of lonely نبرة كم زم شاء لكم بلوس بهالي أبتي إذا عجزتكم لهاي سكول مهار خلو كم زم شاء لكم بينها بينوت أمواز فوت نبرة سبيو very كم زي زنت صلوا زنت ألز نبرة أكيد از نبرة he's so identical and smart you نخجر ماكم مرجع بزحلفين أي Republican كم زمرة he's Republican register كم زجبره يو زحبر هجينا بس عازيجن قال قرب جنزب خون دونيتني ديمقراطيك كم زجبرين somehow زخولنا أنت أبصحون زبل in detail why من سرعون أبيو كما إن زبل بزحتة تتملسي اللون still investigate جبرالو I don't know يبلين update مالتي أنا كان كم زي I don't know كم زي بيجنك أزمة بخال أزمة sometimes صارلو مش صارلو هم من ساعات ولا بزلنا يعد حدا جزء خم جرنير حدا so identical brilliant زخون سب هجي كم عينت خوني خو اليوم so let's see what happened again more in detail كم تصير حال ماله.
So you want to know where to invest $1,000 right now? Well, forget about stocks.
As Stephanie mentioned, authorities are now identifying 20-year-old Thomas Matthew Crooks as a suspected shooter in the rally attack. Crooks.
Right. I just want to make sure if you can hear me, guys. Can you hear me? دم تسمع على ربيلا نايتي. Right. I just hear you guys. Can you hear me? دم تسمع على ربيلا نايتي. Let's see.
Crooks is a native of Bethel Park, Pennsylvania. That's about an hour from where the shooting took place. And he appears to have no criminal record. The FBI says the family is cooperating with the investigation at this time. And joining us now is Fox 5's Thomas Matthew Crooks as a suspected shooter in the rally attack. Crooks is a native of Bethel Park, Pennsylvania.
All right. Thomas Matthew Crooks Bahal. native of نايتاز اللي وقشتي خمن نايتاز قبل لازلو مالتيو.
Yeah, that's about an hour from where the shooting took place, and he appears to have no criminal record. The
قدمه هيجي زخونه criminal record خم زي نبره. He's just nothing. He just I don't know why. He's graduation night degree لو صرح نبره يسبي.
FBI says the family is cooperating with the investigation at this time. And joining us now is Fox 5's Kendall Green. He's got the latest on what we are learning about the suspect's background and the questions surrounding security efforts leading up to the deadly shooting and what's being investigated as an attempted assassination of Donald Trump. Kendall.
Hey, good evening, Arthur. The 20-year-old suspected shooter, Thomas Matthew Crooks, was gunned down by counter snipers after shooting the former president yesterday. And since that shooting, feds have recovered the AR-style rifle along.
Yeah, እንታይ to AR style raffle da 15 ኣቦኡ ብሕጋዊ ዝገዛ እዩ ናይ ኣቦኡ መሳርሒ ተጠቂሙ ኣቦኡ ኣብ ገዛ ይቕሚጥዋ ነይሩ ሜቢ ካብ ገዛ ልዕልዋ ክኸውን ይኽእል ብምሉእ እቲ ኔበርሁድ ወይ ከዓ እቲ ቁሸት ናቱ ሕጂ ብምሉእ ኢንቨስቲጌት ዝግበር ዘሎ ሶፋር ዓፅዮም ኣለዉ እቶም ስድራ እውን ትማሊ ዋለት የብልና ገለ የብልና ከድና ወፂና ኢና ዘለና ኢሎም ትማሊ ገለገለ ኢንተርቪዋት ይገብሩ ነይሮም እዮም so general somehow I don't know where it comes from በቃ ብጣዕሚ ኢኻ ትጉሂ ማለት እዩ ትማፃፃኣ so let's
On with materials used to make a bomb inside of his vehicle near the rally.
oh yeah ኣብቲ ኣብ መኪንኡ ዝኾነ ማቴሪያል ዝኾነ ነገራት ነይሩ ንቦምባ ንምስራሕ ንቦምብ ንምስራሕ እውን ኣብቲ መኪንኡ ከም ዝነበረ እዮም ዝሕብሩ I don't know this is kind of weird
Just one day after an attempt to assassinate
ኣብ ሸሞንተ ይኸውን እዩ ተኽሲ ገይሩ እዚ ክንብል ከለና ግን ኣሕዋት እቲ ናይ ሴክሬት ሰርቪስ ብጣዕሚ ተማብ ዝነበሩ ወታደር ንብሎም ዋላ ፖሊስ ንበሎም ብጣዕሚ እዮም ዘንጊዖም ኦልሞስት ናይ ክልተ ደቂቃ ክኸውን ነይሩ እዩ ደይ ይብሎ ንህለኩም ኣብዚ ንህለ ሽጉጥ ኣለዎ ገለ ተባሂሉ መሰኻኽር ክንደይ እዮም ኢሎም ስታት ቪድዮታት ሽዑ ላይፍ መሓላለፍ ነይሩ I have no idea what's going on ብጣዕሚ ካ ትጉሂ ኮይኑ ግን ኣጋጣሚ ኣምላኽ ፈቒድዎ ኣብ በፂሑ ማለት እዩ እታ ተኽሲ ንሳኣ ናብ ትራምፕ ዝመፀት ቀጥታ ንሳ ናብ እዝኑ ተኣሽሙ ጌራቶ ከምዛ ዝረኣኹማ ካልእ ግን ወዲ 50 ዓመት ይኾን ኮሪ ዝበሃል ፋየር ፋይተርስ ኣብቲ ሓደጋ ብርእሱ በሲዓ ሃሪማቶ ንሱ ቀጥታ መይቱ ኣቦ ክልተ ቆልዑ ማለት እዩ ወዲ 50 ዓመት is very sad so this is ክሳብ ሸሞንተ ይኹን ተክሲ ግን ክልተ ሰባት ካብ ሕክምና ብከቢድ ተሃስዮም ወይ ከዓ ተሃሪሞም ከም ዘለዉ እቲ ሓበሬታ still alive ኣሎ ማለት እዩ
former President Donald Trump the investigation into the shooter
he's very young guy and then he's 20 years old so smart he's physics and chemistry and maths ተዘተጋጊ ወይ chemistry and maths ወይ physics and maths his top of the maharai ብዝለዓለ ነጥቢ ገይሩ ዝተመረቐ ሰብ ኢኻ ማለት
Thomas Matthew Crooks from Bethel Park, Pennsylvania ran
Bethel Park, Pennsylvania it's assume تعدي أبي إنه لكم this is his عدو ማለት እዩ
up. The 20-year-old, officials say, fired a rifle from a rooftop just over 160 yards from the former president's podium Saturday at his final rally ahead of the Republican National Convention.
He would sit alone at lunch.
እዚኦም like you know ሚእትን ሳንያርድ ኣከባቢ ሚእትን ሳንያርድ ናብ ከባቢ 100 ሜትርስ ኣከባቢ ናምፅና ነርና ተሓለፈ ያ ሚእትን ሳንያርድ ርሕቀት ካብ ትራምፕ ነይርዎ ማለት እዩ 160 yard 2 ሜትር ኢና ንፍልና ያ 146 ሜትር ኮይኑ ርሕቀት ነይርዎ ማለት እዩ so እዚ መማሃርቲኡ ሓደ ካብቶም መማሃርቲኡ ንዕኡ ዝምስክር ሰብ እዩ let's see
He was just an outcast, and you know how kids are nowadays.
Crooks' classmates sharing he'd graduated high school just 2 years ago and was a target of constant bullying, but had no past criminal cases against him as FBI officials try to determine the motive in the shooting. They're investigating the attempted assassination as an act of domestic terrorism, maintaining their belief Crooks acted alone. Reporting the
well, so far as of now, as of now, ክሳብ ሕጂ በይኒ እዩ ዘሎ መጽናዕቲ እዩ ዝኾነ ኣይተረኸበን ናይ በይኒ እዩ ዕላማ እዮም ዝብል ዘሎ ግን still investigate ግበሪ ማለት ይሕዋል
AR style rifle used to shoot Trump was legally purchased by the gunman's father.
Yeah, AR 15 ብብኡ ተገዘአት ያ
Yet it's unknown whether he took it without his father's knowledge.
ኣይተፈልጠን ካብቲ ገዛ I don't know ኣቦኡ ዘይፈለጠ ክኸውን ይኽእል እዩ ኣልዒልዎ ኣሎ ማለት እዩ ስለዚ ተም ብረት ዕጥቂ ዘለኩም ተጠንቅቁ ቆልዑኹም ካየብሉ ኣብ ቀረባይ ተቐምጡ god damn it okay yeah
What we saw yesterday, if you dissect the tape, was a textbook response.
Paul Eklof, former U.S. Secret Service special agent, praising the swift action of several agents who acted as a body shield to the former president until the threat was neutralized by counter snipers above ground. But questions among former agents remain.
How did we get to a point where a perpetrator shot a former president of the United States?
That's the center of a Secret Service hearing set for July 22nd, aimed to get more crucial details from the shooting. Melanie Burkholder, former Secret Service agent turned politician.
ብጣዕሚ እታ question ኣሕዋት ኣብዚኣ እታ question how he did that ከመይ ገይሩ እዩ ናብታ ሩፍ ክሳብ ዝድይብሲ ደይቡ እንዳይድይባሉ እንዳተባሃለ how what did it ኣበይ ነይሮም እንታይ እዩ እዚ ዝሕቶ እዩ ዘይተመልሰ ዘሎ ኣሕዋት ክሳብቲ በዓል ኢላን ማስክ ነቲ ሓላፊ ዝነበረ ናይቲ ሴክሬት ሰርቪስ ፋየር ክኸውን ኣሎ ተባሂሉ ፅሑፋት ኣብ ኤክስ ወይ ከዓ ተፃሒፉሎ ማለት እዩ so how did this happen but like a while ago قد مهجي بزحاتهم تاريخ زارهم نيرو كمزيهم معرق نزير حقهم تم ميليتاري يكون ولا سكري سيرفيس يكون وتهدرات يكون كله مالو سنايبرز them سنايبرز قبل على غيرهم أميتهم تعجبلو الصوتماتهم كلهم أب أسكدي بزقبهم نيرو مالتي. So yeah, let's question for Iridale. Let's see this one, this video. I don't know if I can pull this.
Hey guys, Toby Mathis here, and question I get all the time is, how do I make my personal assets invisible? Well, first off, can you...
Look what happened to our country. Probably 20 million people. And you know, that's a little bit... He's going down!
Look at he got a gun, he had a gun, he gun low, comes low, nabro filiba. They keep saying that. That's bad.
Stay over here. He's on top of the roof. Don't go over there. He's on the roof, buddy. He's dead. I just seen his hair go up. They shot him in the head. He's dead. Holy fuck. Well, if they hit anybody over there. Did he pull up the shot? He number of shots. I thought that was us. No, that was him. The first 2 shots were him. Oh shit. Holy shit. He's on the roof. He's right there. He's right there on the roof. Just on the other side of the I believe the actor was dispatched, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, like technically, I don't know. مالت قرب كبلي أحوات أو الله ما يطير رأيه أبتيجو إن ده تكوسير رأيه خال فيديوهات بزحله نهلكم من عملت like this. Yes. Okay, he's right in here. Right in here.
Your child needs these 3 key factors to get into an Ivy League or top 25 university.
Welcome back to our special coverage. Only Pittsburgh's Action News 4 is hearing from a couple who says they watched the gunman shimmy up the side of the building before those shots.
Look, طيب لا سمعوا listen حوات رأمو اتجان من اتباع العطو سبت قدمنا بروف من إن ده يبغى خلص ترأي. So they just شعون shout get him like what do you get ولا ده بهاي. This is the okay, good news.
Were fired.
Now these are photos from Mike DeFriscia.
That's him. Look him. Like, you know, they took him a picture, right? So I have no idea why he didn't just act that right away. That's kind of weird. Right?
He says at first he and his wife thought the alleged shooter was just trying to get a better view of former President Donald Trump speaking. Then he heard another man yelling.
I had seen him previously.
Look that.
I seen him going up the roof, and I just thought, this is a guy that's going to try to get a good view. I never thought it was somebody with a gun. Well, then when he said gun, I looked harder, and I immediately seen the gun.
Yeah, like and
the couple tells Pittsburgh's Action News 4 their hearts go out to the family of the man who was killed, adding he is a hero for protecting his loved ones.
By the way, it is not ni deku dance you just protect girlen yam ziblu zalo. I don't know how. Malisin I don't know kame second that comes qayrati ጥይት ከማንትና ያረፋው ገልጾ ነረም ማብገሊ it's very fast you can ንስድሩ እዩ ድሕኑን ባዕሊ ኢማይቲ yam ziblu zalo. So this is how very sad he's like ወዲ 20 ዓመት ቀልጢፎም ስናይፐር ገረም አጣሽ ሙቀትሎም I don't know what his goal. ሓደ ወዲ 50 ዓመት ኮሪ ዝበሃል ፋየር ፋይተርስ ተለኪሙ ማለት እዩ ሶ ካብ ህጅ እንታይ እዮም ገይሮም ዘለው ማዕረፍ ኣብስ ከምዚ ዓይነት ካምፔይኖች ክመጽ ከሎ ሓደ ኣብ ውሽጢ ኢንዶርስ ክኸውን ምዃኑ እዮም ሓበሬታታት ዝሕበር ዘሎ ካልእ ተሪፉን ብዙሕ ሰብ ክህሉ የብሉን ብምባል so kind of ናብኡ ዝኣቱ ብፀቢብ ጌርካ ኣብ ዕፁብ ጌርካ ሰላጥ ሕግስ መሓላልፉ ዘለዉ ክርኤና ሃው ከመይ ይኸይድ this is bad by the way ትማሊ ኣብ ከለኹ ጠቕሳ ትማሊ ናይ ባይደን like net nation announce ገይሩ he is so sad ንሕና ፍሊሊና ከምዚ ክኸውን ኣይነበረን ፍሊሊናሲ ብባለት ዳኣምበር ብብሉጥ ክኸውን የብሉን ኣባለት ዳ ክንፈላለልና ኣተሓሳስባና ድዩ ኣገለናሲ you know ዓዲ ዲሞክራሲ ከም ዝኽእል ዓዲ ዲሞክራሲ ግን is kind of mess ዲሞክራሲ ክንሳብ ከምዚ ክመፅእ ኣይነበሮን ንሕና ብከምዚ ክንፈላለ የብልናን ስለ ፀላእካይነ ትራምፕ ክትቆትሎ ወይ ከዓ ስለ ፀላእካይነ ባይደን ክትቆትሎ ይኮነን ንሕና ትራምፕን ባይደንን ዲቤቲንግ ገይሮም ተኻቲዖም ተራቲዖም ዳ ኣኽፈላለዩ ኣለዉ እምበር ብከምዚ ክኸውን የብሉን ኢሉ ትማሊ ፅቡቅ ንመግለፂ ገይሩ ባይደን ማለት ደስ ዝብል ናይ 6 ደቂቕ ትማሊ it was so beautiful so let's work together ዝብላ ብሓባር ንስራሕ ብሓባር ሰሪሕና ነዚ ጉዳይ እዚ ንፍትሓዮ we don't want it as you know as I am as an like you know Eritrean American too we don't want like this ማለት እዚ ክጋጥም ኣይትደልየንኻ we don't need it so it happens ክጋጥም ይኽእል እዩ ብዙሑን ስለ ዘጋጥም ፀገም ኣይኮነን ግን ያ ፍልሊካ ብሓፂሩ ኣብ ክትዕን እቲ ርእሲ ዝበሃል ኣብዚ እንዴት ዲሞክራሲ ዝበሃል ኮ ኣብዚ ማለት እዩ ግን let's see what happened ትማሊ ፅቡቅ ነቲ ኔሽን ፅቡቅቲ ስፒች ከም ዝገበረ ትራምፕ ባይደን ዝሕብር ዘለኹ so ባይደን ትራምፕ ደው ኢሉሉ ድሓን ድኻይልዎ ፅቡቅ ኮታ ፅቡቅ ኮሚኒኬሽን ገይሮም they are happy to work together but who's going to be a president if Biden is there Trump is coming what all right let's move number 2 point all right today is a big day for who? I don't know who you get what you get, but today is a big day for who? For Trump, the guy. So Trump announced Gabralo ni vice president ንዕኡ ዝኸውን ማለት እዩ ንዕኡ ዝኸውን ከም መሳርሕቲ ወይ ከዓ vice you know as ሓለፈ ትፈልጡኹም vice president ከም ዝነበሩ ንሱ ኖሞር ኣብኡ እቲ ናይ ነበረ ናይ June 6 ሽዑ ፍልሊ ስለ ዝገበሩ ኖሞር እቲ መን ዝበሃል Pix what's his name again okay anyway Trump ኣብዚ ሰዓታት እዚ ኣናውንስ ገብር ምዃኑ ኢና ንፈልጥ I don't know update ኳ ይብለኝ ሕጂ so far ሕጂ update ተልዎም ምናልባት ሪከርድ እናገበርኩ ግን ኣብ ሰዓት እዚ ኣናውንስ ከም ዝገብር መኒ vice president ወይ ከዓ ምክትሉ ኮይኑ ክሰርሕ ዝኽእል he's going to tell us today about this has been updated about 10 minutes ago 12 minutes ago so still nothing yet Trump announced the vice president choice within an hour سب حدا ساعات خمس مهان ex-president tells Fox News according to Fox News مالتي who's many council like this is some of the candidates yeah Mike what is that Vince okay yeah I think so I have this source okay من كوني خل نزبل حتى let me show you some candidates لو خونوا زخلوا most probably أنا كاينو مالت تي فيك زبحال هذا هنداوي very so young and smart من say most probably نسوق خون زخل نسوق خوني خل this is not it it's خوني خلي everybody this guy مالتي yeah Vic Rosemary is he خوني خلي he's a businessman like him ودي 38 عامتي my goodness he's younger than me way younger okay so this guy's he's entrepreneur oh Bitcoin my friend so hedge fund law na hedge fund wallet look this that's what it is and then he's an investor Bitcoin entrepreneur from Ohio Maletu he's a billionaire guy I think so let me see what he is mostly investor all right let's go what is his net worth net worth as of 2023 doesn't pull net worth 2024 2022 it doesn't pull his net worth he's a billionaire I know he's a billionaire. Did I say millionaire? No, he's a billionaire. It doesn't give us the numbers, by the way. I don't know. He's a businessman. What is 38 عامت hedge fund law Bitcoin you. Oh my goodness, happy man. Bitcoin. I know. Yeah, it doesn't say the numbers. I don't know. Probably I miscalculate mality. All right. Jeep. This guy is the most popularity mality. Tem kalun allo. Let me show you. نسخون مالت هيكونن yeah ብዙሓትም ዘሎ ግን ናቱ እንታይ ይፅቡቅ ነገሩ like they are match with him with Trump ማለት እዩ ብጣዕሚ ሻርፕ እዩ ክዛረብ መዓት he has a feature look this to thing ኣሕዋት ድሓር ኣብ ቀፃሊ ተመርፂ ክንዛረበልና what's hedge fund እንታይ ማለት እዩ you know bitcoin ከዓ ትፈልጥዎ ማለት እዩ oh no sorry not bitcoin biotech entrepreneurs sorry my bad biotech entrepreneurs okay yeah my god I gotta correct myself biotech interpreters boom okay so hedge fund kana low ማለት እዩ this is good we will explain this ab ቀፃሊ yeah correction myself it's not bitcoin biotech ማለት እዩ all right so this one is a former of house member from the Hawaii خانت لك Tulsi and then governor of North Dakota this is some of them candidates ክኾኑ ዝኽእሉ ዝብል ግምታት according to this NBC news ማለት እዩ as we say he's a businessman this guy yeah Marco also senator from Florida Tim I kid this guy also senator from South Carolina this guy also very dangerous I like this guy by the way he's a good guy this guy I don't know about this governor of Texas I have no idea I don't know Tucker Carlson TV host is he in here okay all right let's find out my god he's a hoster he's like Miss Trump Miss Manshmu Miss Putin khande interviews gawra halafe is he gonna be okay all right who can be Trump's vice president Tucker Carlson that's not all right I don't know let's find out anyway let's see I'm very sure it's not gonna be this guys for sure maybe Tim my guess let me give you my guess Marco is okay too Vic is my number one choice this guy and then Marco I don't think so this no okay I have two Tim or Marco this is Kabzi Ane Benati Maliti according yeah Marco Khaman Salsa Abdul Kubakhali just Marco Khaman senator from Florida he's a great guy this one he's 53 years old Maliti so let's see what happened in ours way بصحف نشتكم تسوي ويك breaking news غيرنا هنم تسوينا حوات let's see who's happening okay let's done with that my friend let's go to our market reaction market reaction okay Federal Powell speaks to yeah he's speaking Jerome Powell yeah Dahar kanam tsayna yeah he does speak right now the Bloomberg television live yes yeah let him finish and then summary can go run khilna Dahar all right let's go with that and the market what is our market reaction Hawat let's come back to our market yeah Jerome Powell is speaking so market na ኣብዚ ግዜ እዚ እንታይ እዩ ሪአክሽን ዝገብር ዘሎ ብሰንኪ ናይ ማለት ሲ especially Bitcoin ማለት እዩ sure okay yeah Jerome Powell is he's speaking yes thank you the Powell indicate the Fed will not wait until the inflation is down to 2% this is good point thank you this is what I want my goodness thank you GB መኒኻ GB comment ገይሩ Jerome Powell ክሳብ 2% interest ዝበፅሕ ጠጠው ኣይንብልና rate cut ክንገብር ንኽእልና ምክንያቱ we have 3.0 guys we have 3.0 so we are about to cut ማለት እዩ for sure September is going to be cut that's all September is going to be the starting the cut ማለት እዩ all right so let's back about Trump let's get it okay down jumps about 200 points record since Trump survive ስለ ዝገበረ ካብዚ ናይ ፈተና ቅትለት ማለት this is the market that are happy today بسنكي down بسنكي Trump survive مقبارو marketنا is like way high back تمليسو allo this is all the news over all our big stock moving the biggest move midway Trump media okay okay this is the most important why that happens سلامنتاي as I said أمجمرة قرب نورنا Trump is going to be the guy who is like especially president of Bitcoin and then you know mostly in the Aussie stock market كعمليته so this is how it happens كل stock لما عند it looks good and then Jerome Powell نزار it looks good now Jerome Powell news من على توسخي مالته so let's get it Bitcoin should be up today yeah this is jam Bitcoin is up almost 3,500 as of today look this 5.98% increase get out. That's why it is, because of what? Trump is happy. Sorry, Trump is safe. Trump, they know it's the president's going to be Trump. Is there, I don't know. زخونه زي فلتنايو كمص اندحر كوينهم ديمقراطيك قال زي تفلت الشارب قال مص اندحر مصيو ما العربات ني ترامب ديفيت كيقبر وي كاخذ كع زخل وي كسعر زخل we'll see what happen. كاين yeah, Trump is coming, market knew it, and then Bitcoin is so far up by today 3,600. It's keep going مالتي. So that's what had happened. Yeah, market is all green. It's good. And then كمويز بلنا جيروم باول نزاربالو he said قال بوينتات رينالنا دحين كاي تحوسن مست اجندا انا خالص لازم لهم معنتي. So قال predict احوات. Well, we had him 69. Actually, he's back. He's back to 67 now. But this according to Cent he's going up. So overall, according to Bazihij Zalana Tsapsab, we can Bazihij Zalna market Nazib Zalo Kale Koini Tarifu Kale Zeta Fatra Democratic comes on the Zeki Ilom, Hayal Bahar, we will get as Bahal. Joe Biden is no way. It's not. He's done. Kamala Harris is not going to be done. It's no way. Given Newsom, no. Like California government mality. It's just recent. So if there is somebody's coming, maybe I don't know. Michelle Obama doesn't the راح تكون Michelle Obama even though سبعة سلزلوتي حبرتها سبوكات حزبي population سبعة ما أمني mality. If they are coming to office, they will come office boss and office and مخالو. So Michelle Obama says no إلا. I hope نساتت مسنيرا سبعة سلزلو my حق زكاة مالتي هم تدخون تسفى دم جبرنا هلا جن هيلاري بعلا she's not gonna make it. So هجي كم زازلو عند حركة Republican انتحر of course Republican حزوان Trump انتحر حزوه هجي. I don't think so. حوات نزمت ناي almost ننوح جزء Democratic نزبيت تجبروا مالتي. They have to work. Like Vice President اندحر منشو ممتو فيك اندحر متو he's sharp ودي سالة شو منتن عامتي. That guy is so smart. He's a businessman. He's so smart. He's identical. نسندحر متيون. I don't know if this is going to be on the feature in 8. Come here. Do you want to say hi? What is this in here? Why you eating? Why is all there in here?
Mango.
Why you did mango? Like أتوه من حسكة. أتوه وستي. Let's say hi everybody. Like what is? Say hello. What are you doing? What is this book for?
We're playing school game.
Yeah, you playing school game? Can you say hello?
Hi.
Okay, Kirba. All right, thank you. All right. So what I was trying ننتهي قبل دليل مسيركم كبلي بالطعم كبلي special as a vice president is coming the big. He's sharp. حوات كتري وخم نسند حرمزي. I'm the guy. I love that guy. I don't mean businessman سلازخونه. Just he's the way he's speaking is بتعمي sharp. I know. خباين لعلمت مع تسكبركم الهلوكم خل. Just put me in comment if I don't know. كينو again. هجين ده حتى مريض Trump next term is gonna be that guy مالتي. We'll see. 4 years كمان يخير كأخن جمجمان خلنا. Again the way he's speaking is the way he's handling is doing great مالتي. Yeah, thank you. This is all we have. Like the many vice president كانوا نزبل نشتي ويت صحف قرنا خنا محلال فينا أن جيروم باول كا انتاي لتزاري انتاي سامر قرنا we'll come back for you guys. And then thank you for now. Thank you for being here. We'll love you. Okay. What's going on? Okay. Okay. Well, I don't. So GB, مالت انت أخذ من ذلك جيروم باول he's still talking. He's still زاربي زلهم. We have to analyze. But we have to summary what he's saying. But I will just comment the point. No matter what, let me say this. It's not going to change. Let me show you this. It's not going to change. I don't think so. I'm not sure. For sure the market is going to give him good points. Calculate rate scabs already low. That's good. So July 91%. So July can see 91% is not right cut malit. September, you know why? Yes, 93. So Bati he knew it. Okay. Okay, he knew it. Trump is coming. Okay, he's gonna get fired if he didn't fix the market. Like ፋየር ክገብሮ ምዃኑ እዩ ነጊርዎ ዘሎ ትራምፕ ማለት እዩ by next year 2025 ክንሪአና ካብ ጥሪ 16 ምስ መፅእ ማለት እዩ so he have to do something ጀሮም ፓወል ሕጂ ኣብዛ ሰዓት እዚኣ if you like ማለት ነቲ ስርሑ ሴቭ ንክገብር so ዘን ዘለዋና ወርሒ 9 ንህልዋኻ ወርሒ 11 ወርሒ 12 ዋላ ኣብዚአን ሰለስቲአን ሬት ካት እንድሕር ገይሮ 0.25 in total 0.75 ካት ምግባር is a big for our market so January ጥርኻ another one እንድሕር ገይሩ so almost by ጥርሲ full by 2025 full point lower نقبر لنا this is good so أب حنقوله بتصحوا ولا هجنا يبقى على stress كله خديمه ناتو Trump he said that direct تزاري boy I'm gonna fire you way so fire كأخو قبر خالي so بزاز بلازلو ولا أنت مسأي ولا أنت بله ريت general خم قرص أنا هجنت بله سبتمبر sorry جولاي ورشوا عته خمسة قرطر إنالنا ورحت شعتك قرطي simple word let's wait with that صبوت نت بخابتا استخاري خمان كسب كل 10% بتعرفك أنا عايز بني لنا unemployment is high أحوال unemployment خير على لوري هم اللهم لعل 4.1 كوين له so لك أنا report خلونا next week تقول لنا PCE نا PCE خا نسخة most important يا قال rate update let's see تخانن خا تابير خنو واحد الأخوان alright rate update yeah look this rate update is 6.81 miles it's still good like kind of moderate you know move it down slightly to negative side maybe arcade gabriazia so negative 0.01 allo qannislo ማለት እዩ as of today so but how about let's see yeah bonds treasury bonds what looks like it should be 4.19 something if I'm not okay bonds yeah okay yeah not really happy it's still up I don't know there is something still up 0.04 malati we need this bonds like less than cap less than 3 malati less than 3 we are very sure our rate's going to be down it's comparable with our rate interest rate malati so call yeah let's let him finish when he finish it let's see what happened ግን ደቦት ጽቡቕ ነገር ታርእስትን በዓላ ተዛሪቦ ዘሎ yeah he indicated he will not wait ክሳብ 2% ኾን wait ኾን አይከለም ምክንያቱ market is going to be down our bank is in trouble everybody is in trouble ማለት እዩ okay if I pick anything important book yeah he said that cooling inflation he knew it the index cool ከይሩ ከም ዘሎ inflation we know that the target rate of the federal fund rate is currently 5.25 that is up from okay I didn't see any important okay so yeah thank you let's see what happened دحر important دحرالي way بصحف جرده وين ايش سامر غير 5 GB thank you all right but overall September is going to be cut for sure Trump is coming then we're 10 3 rate cut this year and another one in January like 4 cut 4 minutes at Fed's fund rate 5.0 Fed's fund rate 5.33 low so the 5.33 we are looking at to about 4.33 something by January malet we will have a stress relief so نزن ثلاثة ورحين كل تورحين عم بركابيجي مقراص انت جميرهم let me say this a little bit مقراص انت جميرهم at least ولا 0.25 من دحر ريت مقراص جميرهم this point is going to be right away radically it's down to about 6 points it's a double up almost 0.25 من دحر قرص جميرهم ابزي like big down يخبر like 16 بولو the 60 BP مالت base point so an average in حنسب مقراص جميرهم كمان rate نحن up 6.5 down خوني then second مسكبرو like at the end of the year about 6 point خلينا مودات هزعمز so تم buyers تم جزاخت قصدلو تم جلاخت قصدلو like نايس ثلاثة ورحنا 4 ورحنا نزلنا عقلي مالتي قالوا rate قرص كله rate مقراط الجمهور our real estate gonna be shit high it's gonna be high we have inventory now ጽቡቕ ዝኾነ inventory ኣለና ደሓን ዝኾነ inventory ኣለና ኣብ ዝተፈላለዩ ዓድታት ንሕሪኢኹም ግን could be high this could be high rate card مس قرص ማለት anyway تا فيديو نوح حسبك نويحه اسكي thank you so much let's go with it guys احوات تمليسنا على صباح دي حرخ نمص نخلينا thank you yeah it's going to be rate card all right okay bye bye